Find the nature of roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 5x plus 9 equals 0. So if you compare with the standard one like ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, a equals 1, here 1, and b equals minus 5, c equals 9. Now they are asking nature of the roots. Nature of the roots are comment upon the roots. So we need to find discriminant b square minus 4ac. So if it is greater than 0, real and distinct. If it is greater than 0. If b square minus 4ac, if it is less than 0, not real. If b square minus 4ac, if it is equal to 0, real and equal. Real and equal. So here I'll find b square minus 4ac discriminant. So if I'll substitute the values, here b is minus 5 whole square, 4 into 1 into 9. So minus 5 whole square is 25, 4 9s 36. So here 25 minus 36 is minus 11. So minus 11 is very clearly b square minus 4ac is less than 0 because it's negative. So no real roots. No real roots. Or you can write imaginary roots. No real roots are imaginary roots. So nature is no real roots.